Going to be taking a look at ADFS, currently at 0188. Huge moves here for a stock that has been silent for so long. Not much movement here. We've seen this one trading down here around the 0001 area. Beautiful move, huh? I mean, this is one of those stocks that everybody wants to find at 000 area, running up to 2 cents, within seriously a week. I mean, that's a stock that we would all love to find down there at the bottom. But, fortunately, a lot of people did down here. A huge volume day over here on the 7th, 7 million. I mean, I wouldn't even call that huge. I mean, we've looked at stocks here, 4 billion, around the triple area. But right now, again, that's going to be the open at 0026, still down there quite a bit. But look at the volume. I mean, the volume's still steady. Okay. In the way that it's currently going right now, the volume right now is at, so far today, 832,000 shares. Just rocking and rolling. Right now, 0198. My personal opinion, looking at this one, you guys are going to be hitting resistance now. Okay. Hey, it could keep going. I think the next line off of this is going to be 0250. This, again, this is in the beginning. This is in the momentum run right now. For sure, obviously there has to be something going on, but I'm sure that Joe will fill us in here in a second. But looking at it, obviously you're going to have gaps, okay? I'm going to mark down these gaps right here around the zero. Where was that at? The open at 0135. We'll put a gap in there at 01 to 0135. Currently, the RSI is at 89. You guys just pull back down a little bit now to the 0190. It could keep going from here. I mean, the volume's coming in here. Now it's pulling back down to the 0180. Keep in mind that gap. I would play it safe, but again, this could keep going for a few days. You guys are still in the beginning of this momentum move. Right now, with that interest, again, like I said, it can keep going. So play it safe. Do what you got to do. But in my opinion, you kind of missed a go here. I would definitely like to learn what Joe has to add here to see what caused this.
Well, their business description's intriguing. It's American Defense Systems Incorporated. Was incorporated in December 2002. Is a defense and security products company engaged in 3 business areas: customized, transparent, and oblique armor solutions for construction equipment, and tactical and non-tactical transport vehicles used by the military. Architectural hardening and perimeter defense, such as bullet and blast-resistant transparent armor, walls and doors, as well as vehicle anti-ram barriers such as bollards, steel gates, and steel wedges that deploy out of the ground. And tactical training products and services consisted of its live fire interactive T2 tactical training system and its American Institute for Defense and Tactical Studies. So, I mean, I could keep reading the whole thing, but the problem with it is it's got a stop sign and pink no information. So their latest quarterly was reported on November 14th, 2013. So it's been about a little over almost 4 years since the last time they reported. So I don't even know if this company's still in business right over here. Because when I go to their website, the link to the website's no longer active. So I mean, I like the business description if they're still doing this right here, like these the perimeters and all these walls and everything else. That could be big business considering. So I guess we'll have to find out if this company is still functioning, and maybe they'll get their finances, their filings up to date. So if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it at the ADFS board over there on Investors Hangout with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, right here, you're looking at the screen right here. This is kind of where this is where Joe obviously was getting his information from. You guys have the time, price, and volume right here with the time and sales. Great tool. Most sites charge you for it. You offer it completely free. So if you can't watch a level 2 all day and you come home from work or whatever the case might be, you can come here and check out every single trade, kind of replay the day in your mind, I guess you could say. So keep that, like I said, keep that in mind when you're doing your research. InvestorsHangout.com, and take a look at the chart again. Like I said, with that momentum, there isn't much information, obviously, like Joe just said. Nothing really updated exactly from the company. Running on that momentum, play it safe. It could keep going, but there is a gap. Don't forget that. Watch could keep going from here, in my opinion. Resistance at 0198, 0250. Support at 0135, 01, and 0076. There is a gap at 01. and 0135. Again, right here in that area. You know how I say it, the gaps will fill. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, whenever that momentum dies off. ADFS, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and get out there and share this video. The more that you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will continue to cover this one. And if you would like to join in on a next live show, join us on investorshangout.com/live.